Hello, we meet another day in Karina Vlogs. Now with a very interesting topic that will be the wonders of nature. Who does not like nature? I think we all like it because it is something very beautiful and we find wonderful places in her. So now I will talk a little about some places in nature that investigated and I found them very interesting and above and very beautiful so that they can visit them on day. Okay, and we'll mention some wonders of nature around the world. The first is Aguso Falls, Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. Located on the triple border between Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. The Iguazu Falls, the largest in the world, and natural beauty and its rich fauna have made the area listed in 1984 as a World Heritage Site as one of the most coveted by tourists. Secondly, Amazon. Various countries in South America. The Amazon vast region that surrounds the Amazon River basin. Its waters run from 7 kilometers extent through the territories of Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. Considered the long on the world and one of the few large natural reserves left on the planet. It is made of extensive hungry areas and endless tropical forests, where many indigenous people live. Its conservation has recently become a priority for our survival. Okay, in the third point I have Halong Bay, Vietnam. Many readers might identify the iconic image and Halong Bay as one of the most beautiful scenarios. Located in the Gulf of Tonkin, about 170 kilometers east of Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. It has around 3,000 easily beautiful covered with vegetation. Its appointment as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world has made it the main tourist attraction in the country. Touring in a boat is an experience difficult to overcome. In fourth place, Table Mountain, South Africa. Table Mountain has become not only emblem of Cape Town, but a true icon of South Africa, integrated into a national park. It is characterized by its peculiar 3-kilometer flat summit that can be seen from a great distance. Many of the tourists who ascended in 1,086 meters in head to Subi cable car, alone locals usually choose to climb on foot, enjoying some of its many trails. The mountain is the natural habitat of hundreds of plant species, some of the unique in the world, and added attraction for its visitors. In 50th place, Jeju Island, South Korea. Located on the Asian continent, Jeju is also known as the Island of Gyeongpar or the Island of Love. Since for decades it was prominent and among destinations is tropical climate warmer than in the rest of Korea. Its volcanic landscapes and its exuberant vegetation attract to this territory many Chinese and Japanese tourists who are looking for a corner to relax in the beach. And finally, Puerto Princesa Underground River, Philippines. The Philippine island of Palawan is a paradise of crystal clear water and succulent beaches, tropical jungle and dense forests where you can spend a truly dream vacation. However, one of its great attractions hidden in the middle of its limited scarce landscapes is not found on the surface, but in a zone. It is the longest navigable underground river in the world, that of Puerto Princesa. Well, these were some wonders of nature. I hope you like it, and in a soon you will have more topics to learn. Bye!